Wall Street touched record highs right after the open Thursday after President Trump sent out an optimistic tweet ahead of a trade deadline with China. Without providing much detail, the president said via Twitter, quote, getting very close to a big deal with China. They want it, and so do we. Yet later at an event at the White House, Trump was uncharacteristically tight-lipped.
We won't talk about China because we're working a deal with China. But I wouldn't say up until now they've loved me.
An official in Beijing also said the two sides are talking just days before a bruising trade war between the world's two biggest economies could escalate in another round of tit-for-tat tariffs.
In regards to China-U.S. trade negotiations, trade and economic teams from both sides have been maintaining close communication. I have no further details to provide now.
But that was enough to inspire hope Beijing and Washington can avoid tariffs on a new round of Chinese-made goods set to go into effect on Sunday. Those tariffs would bring particular pain to U.S. consumers, impacting items such as video game consoles, computer monitors, and toys. No word yet on whether Apple iPhones, which are made in China, would be exempt if the tariffs go into effect. There are some estimates predicting the tariffs would lift the price of an iPhone by around $150. Shares of Apple were noticeably left out of Thursday's stock market rally. But the sentiment surrounding the trade war is mostly upbeat. Further fueling the optimism, U.S. negotiators are said to have offered to slash existing tariffs by as much as half, according to reporting by the Wall Street Journal, as well as suspend Sunday's tariffs. The White House had no comment on whether any offer has been made. There is some speculation that Trump could delay Sunday's tariffs for 30 days, which would push any resolution to a trade war that has hampered global supply chains and dented business sentiment into the new year.